Ayun na, dumating na ang aming star player. Yeah, Luka Cas. Yeah. Alright, finally, it's happening. Okay, for... Good morning. Yung partner mo, kinalimutan mo ulit. Ayan, good morning. Okay, so finally matutuloy na ang aming season 2 of our two-man scramble. So if you were following the series, last time we ended up our series tied. So yung game 7 namin, we tied in Hollow Ridge. So no winner from the last time. So ngayon, this year, 2025, this is a new series. This is the first game. So we're adding the two-man scramble. We're adding the putting Olympics. So it's going to be 2 points and 1 point lang. Then it will be totaled doon sa final. So yeah, so it's going to be me again and Mikey versus Andrew and Doy. So this is our game 1 of 2025. We're back. Season 2. Okay, see you in the fairway. So you can also comment din pala, bet if you like. Comment who you think would win the game and also the series. So thank you. See you in the fairways. Starting our series, first game in hole number 10 of Philippine Navy.
Nice shot, boy. Mag-breakfast ka pa ba?
Nice shot.
Asan na? Patong na? Dikit na? Sa likod na, sa likod. Okay. Good shot, Doy. Ganda rin ah. Yari tayo, Mikey.
Patong lahat?
Patong sila pareha.
Ayaw, patong mo ah.
Pinresin lang nga. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay pa. Siya pala sasabihin. Alright, good luck, good luck. Game 1. May Olympics tayo, Mikey. O, explain ko na lang mamaya. Good luck, brother. Okay. Basically, pag kung sino pinakamalayo sa ating team, 2 points pag na-shoot mo yung 1 putt.
Pinakamalayo.
Tapos pag mas malapit ka, 1 point. Yung points lang natin, 20 pesos per head.
Okay.
So pag tinotal natin lahat, for example,
Sa dulo na yun, sa end ng series.
kung sino man yung first to.
Maganda yan.
Naka 4 points kami. Next game, naka 2 points kayo.
So kung 4 points sila, tig 80-80 pa tayo. Sa buffet, kung saan man tayo magde-decide kung saan tayo kakain.
Ikaw na mag-tali nun.
Hindi, nandito nga sa video. Itatali natin dito sa video. Okay. Okay, here we go. Natuloy din. Grabe, lapit na nila. Ang lapit nila. Nako, ito. Kailangan natin si One Podcast ngayon.
Pinausap ko na si Jong eh.
Lilagyan ng...
Matanda na si Luigi, alam na niya ginagawa ko. Alam na ng tulungan.
Bunker pala sila. Right to left. 11 paces. Isang grip sa kanan. Paakyat. +1, hindi naman. Oo, no? Medyo mabagal. Kulang. Uy, mabagal. Tama.
Huli. Nice spot. Nice one.
Thank you, Jong. Thank you, Jong. Okay, whole half.
Easy one up na kami doon.
Kaya nga eh. Pero alam, iniisip ko, di naman nananalo lagi kung sino yung first hole na 1 up eh.
Nice spot.
Thank you, brother. Mikey.
Pero nakikita ko na yun.
Sabi ko walang chance.
Sabi ko nga, ilalapit ko lang. Okay, natanggap ko na yung one down. Lalakasan ko lang eh. Kaya medyo nakita ko din yung break eh. Okay, hole number 11. Second hole. We are now, oh, because of that putt, we were able to have the hole. Nakachamba ng putt. Okay. Still all square.
Draw.
Ang ganda. Safe. Bunker mo na. Yay! Ay, wala.
Ano yun?
Parang delix pa. Hindi, parang sumipa pa kanan eh. Pero hindi naman yata abot sa tubig yun.
Oo, baka.
Delikado rin. Good shot, Mikey.
Nice shot. Yun lang.
125 yards. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. I might be hitting a maybe 50 or 56 degree wedge. Depende kung nasan si Mikey. Ganda. Go. Big bounce. Big bounce. Nice shot, Mikey. Dikit. Dikit. Nice shot, brother. Okay, okay. Nice shot.
Wow.
Andrew and Doy's second shot. Ako na, Lip. Iwan mo na lang. Mukhang sumot daw yata yung kay Mikey. Sana. Ganda naman ng punch ni Doy. Okay, sobra lang. Okay, went over the green. Sobra din yan. Matalbog. Wow! Nice shot, Drew. Patong din.
Yung sa inyo parang may chance.
Nasumot yung kay Mikey. Parang walang bola nga, ano? Unless gumulong. Sana hindi naman.
Gumulong sa likod
Pero lakas din ang gulong eh, actually. Pero sana shoot na lang. Okay, meron nga palang Olympics. So just an update for Olympics. We are now 2 points. Kami ni Mikey. Tapos si Andrew and Doy 1 point. So both teams putting for birdie. For 2 points si Andrew, kami for Andrew and Doy kami 1 point. For 2 points and birdie. Oosh. That's good, brother. That's good.
malaki na masyado.
Benga. Oo nga, solo bird, natural. Okay, 1 up. 1 up, 1 up. 3 points. 1 point, tapos 1 up. Good start for our team. We are now 1 up, tapos 3 points sa Olympics. So hole number 12, playing 150 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Ano yun? Dalawang crucial putt na malayo. Pang 5. Ganda. Short yata. Ayun, sakto. Good shot, Day. Hindi nag-draw. Okay lang.
Nice shot.
Patong mo lang. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Ay, hindi umangat. Tumpal nga.
Tubig mo.
Nice shot. Okay, we're taking Mikey shot. Around 30 yards to the flag. Go! Sige lang. Good shot, Mikey.
Pwede na yan.
Pwede na yan. Andrew and Doy for birdie and to get the game all square, and if ever for Olympics 2 points. That's good, brother.
Good na yan.
Oh. Mahina.
Go, yun na yung
Mahina. That's good, that's good. Okay. We have this putt to half the hole. Right.
Right na. Nice putt, nice putt.
Nice putt. Nice putt. Nice one, Jong. Nice putt, brother. Good par, okay. Still one up. 1 point pa, 4. 4-1. 4 points sa Olympics. Kayo 1. Tapos we are still 1 up. Hole. 489 yards. Si Mikey sa white tees. Fairway mo lang. 4!
Nice shot.
Okay lang. Yun! Fairway! 4 left.
Balik ka din.
Ay, nag-slice.
Nice shot.
Oh, we are taking Mikey's tee shot. At least sa kanya nasa fairway. It's still 300 yards to go for it. Malayo. So we will just both lay up. Since sila Drew nandun. Most likely lay up din sila. Ganda, Mikey. Hindi ko na kailangan tumira. Parehas kaming nagpunta sa right ni Mikey. We are 105 yards to the flag. We just need to hit it low. Hindi, pwede naman to. Pwede siguro ipa-fade. 56 na lang. Sakto, di ba? Patong. Ay, hindi nag-fade. Okay lang, at least patting. Good shot, brother.
Bite, uy.
Bumait ba?
Sa Prince.
Sa French. Doy and Andrew's third shot. Around 90 yards to the flag. Kanan lang. Wow! May kabol na naman. Tsaka lumalambing ka talaga.
Si Dodong din mo pinupunasan yung pangalan ko.
Ikaw nga pati pawis pinupunasan dito.
Pinapaypayan ka pa nga eh.
Hindi ka pinapawisan. Oh, they're in for birdie na naman. They're in for birdie na naman. Ganda rin yan. Ganda. Pareho. Kaliwat kanan. Good shot, brother. Good shot, good shot.
Thank you.
For birdie. Both teams putting for birdie. Kaso downhill. Left to right. 11.
Grabe naman yan, Mikey.
Wow!
Grabe, di pa ako nagpapat. Thank you, Jong. Thank you, Jong. Birdie. 3 under na kami, brother. 3 si Leslie.
Bawal ka na, Jong.
Malungkot niyo. Nice one, Jong. Nice spot, brother.
Sama na tingin list.
Uwi ka na.
Ay, nako. Okay lang. Good putt, Mikey. Ay. Pasok din. Uy, lumaylay. Lumaylay. That's good, brother. Nakakuha din. Okay, 2 up. 2 up and 6 points. 6 na kami total. Oh, 2 points. Okay, grabe si Jong. Ganda ng bigay ng basa eh. Good shot. Tamo, hanggang ngayon kahit ganyan yung tira niya, malambing pa rin. Naku. Ayun, okay lang, safe.
Playable.
Ay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. 3 shots. Shot. Good try. Doy and Andrews. Second shot. Okay, safe. Puno lang sa kaliwa. Okay. We are still 260 yards to the pin. Dog leg right. Susubukan ko ito pa fade siguro with a hybrid later.
Ay, sorry.
Saan ba? Saan punta? Play safe lang dapat. Wala tayo sa ano, walang tira. Sige, 7.
Nice shot, brother.
Okay, we are still 96, 60 degrees na lang, Jong. 96 yards to the flag. Taking my second shot.
Ay,
Okay lang. Oo, 60. Sige pa, gulong. Ayan, Olympics. Olympics.
franta na naman yan eh, di ba? Uy, nilak yan. Short. Olympics.
Doy and Andrews, third shot. Tsaka hindi naman nagtatack-in dati si Doy. Nakatack-in siya ngayon. Kulang na lang. Ano yung kurbada ba tawag doon? Yung necktie? Necktie. Bowtie. Ginawa mong gigolo.
Bowtie lang. Attack-in sa kamilbet.
Yan tuloy. Parang aakit ng ligaw eh. Hindi na. Parang di naman lalaro. O di ba masaya pa rin siya kahit na behind, no? Ayun, kabigdan, mga Olympian. Kaliwa. Mga Olympian. We have 4 Olympians, all outside of the green, all chipping for birdie.
Ako magkapapera ko Luigi.
Mahirap ipat yan. Oh, sige. Pero mahirap. Ha? Okay. Ako 60.
Tayo na.
Okay. Diretso lang daw. Mahina lang. Good try, brother. Ano, lagyan ko sa kaliwa? Wag na. Diretso. Hindi. Chip ako. Thank you. Okay, for 3 points. For birdie. To win the hole yan. For birdie and to win the hole. Pasok nga! Ayun na kayo, hole out nga! 3 points pa! Okay, 6-4. Ito na naman tayo. Okay. 7. 7-4. Paborito.
May prophecy.
Oh, ba't may beso? Ay! Wala pala. Nice hole out, brother. Ganda na ano? Okay. 7-4. 3 points. 3 points. 7-4. So playing the 15th hole. Par 5. 442. I need a decent drive. Stop turning. 4. Bry 4.
Nice shot.
Okay lang yan. May tira doon. Good shot.
Nice shot, Doy.
Ganda. Gettable yan.
Nice one.
Gettable in 2 yan.
Ayos.
Good shot, brother. Wala na. Inspired na.
Ganda ng ano eh. Nakunan ba sa video yung sabi
Kasi yung Olympian.
Nakunan ba yung nakakaboy ng chicken? Ang ganda sana yun eh.
Ah?
Nakunan sa video.
Papanorin natin mamaya kung ano. Diba? Bro, talaga nag-iiba yung spin.
Oo, nag-iiba.
Diba?
Bang! Uy!
Nice shot.
Pero anong cost nun, Luis?
I'm still slicing the golf ball. So my tee shot. So Mikey will play safe. We're taking Mikey's tee shot. Tapos ako, I'll go for it with a 3-wood. It's 260 yards to the flag. Si Mikey, it's 245 to lay up. Okay lang yan. Kick left yan. Okay. Safe yan. Good shot, Mikey.
Oh.
Ganun drive ni Andrew. They are left with 150 yards to the flag for their second shot. Uy, behind.
Uy, akyat. Okay.
Naku, ganun din. Maganda, pangit yata lay. Pababa.
Pangit yung shot. Umangat ako.
Both teams around 30 yards outside of the green. Kami ni Mikey, 30 yards left to right. Sila Andrew, mga 40 yards siguro to the flag. Ganda. Ganda na short game ni Doy. Good shot. Okay, they have that per birthday. Go! Go, 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 go. Yun, nag-bite. Okay.
Kick right.
Okay, we are both putting for birdie. Ako 7 paces. Sila 2 points for Olympics, tayo 1 point. For 2. Yung dumi sa harap na yun. Halos isang bola. Sa loob lang ng duming yun. Okay, Andrew for birdie. With the green eh.
Kuminto yung ano ko dun.
Ayos ka.
Grabe.
Ayos ka.
Hindi. Delikado na naman
Okay na,
tayo.
need to give it a chance.
Kay Mr. Malyari.
Need to give it a chance.
Malakas. Grabe yung patting mo.
No movement. So for our Olympics, it's still 7 points and 4. Tapos sa match play, we are still 1 up. Okay. Sayang yung pat ni Mike, hindi pa nalaglag. 3 under sana tayo. Okay. Moving on. Hole number 16. Hole number 16. 98 yards pero against the wind. So palong mga 100. Subukan natin pa backspin.
Right.
Baba.
Sobra.
Trust.
Okay, at least putting. Good shot, Mikey. Okay, pwede ba? Sobra. Olympian. Uy, sobra. Hala! Uy!
Against the wind ba?
Sobrang sobra.
Uli mo yan.
Makikita natin mamaya sa size. Naku, delikado. Delix.
Nice shot.
Kanan, okay lang yan. Both teams outside of the green. They are pitching, kami we are chipping. Come on partner, all out mo. Hindi si Doy. Sobra yan. Okay. Nabomba naman. Okay lang, make a ball, make a ball.
Ayos, 2 points. 2 points pa tayo doy.
Uy, mabot ka.
Okay, they have the spot to half the hole. Post for par and 2 points. Good putt. Okay. Hole half. Pero we are 8-6. Currently for match play, we are still 1 up. Okay, so moving on to hole number 17. Hole number 17. Pot money of 194,000 pesos. Playing 178 yards. Might hit either 7 or 8 iron. Nag-draw.
Kick right. Kick right.
Kick inside the bunker. Ay. Short lang. Behind. May opening.
Nice shot.
Tumama. Ganda, Mikey! Okay na yan, patong. Huwag ka lang kick right. Bite! Bite! Tama na! Settle! Ay, bunker. They are 50 yards to the flag for their second shot. Kulang. Kulang sa kaliwa. Good shot. Nahina.
Go! Go!
Mahina lang ng konti. Pero grabe yung talbog. Akala ko short na short eh. Matalbog. Oo. Okay, right to left. We are 24 yards to the flag. Okay, we need to hit this close kasi medyo malayo pa sila, Drew and Doy. Right to left na, Jong? Oo. Diretso ulit? Talaga? Okay.
Sobrang kanan.
Matigas din, ano? Matigas din.
Go!
Hina din.
Both teams spotting for par, pero parehong malayo. 2 points sila for Olympics. Kami for 1.
So sa 11 bro.
Plus 1. Dapat. That's good, that's good. Mahina.
Sobrang sa lakas.
Lakas lang. Hole 18, 384 layup, hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Naku, draw. Okay lang yata yan, safe lang yata yan.
Nice one.
Good shot, Mikey. Naku, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Over yan. Over yan. Matalbog talaga eh. Pero ganda na kung tama. Good shot, brother. 220 yards to the flag. Naku, maganda rin.
Wow, inspired.
Bunker yan.
Inspired, Doy. Sit,
Bunker!
sit, sit, sit.
Mga walang kwentang kaibigan. Okay lang yan.
Ay, magi-green pa yata.
Batong mo na.
Ganda,
Wow.
G. Woo. Hold out.
Patong. Uy, tumalbog.
Wag kang
Okay,
sobra.
green.
Ang ganda.
Okay, they're still outside of the green for 3 points. Roughly 25 yards to the pin. Naku, ang ganda pa. Napaganda! Turuan mo kami! Ay, ay, ay. Okay. 6 paces ako. Sa'yo 7.
Sali na naman, oh.
Lakas ng pating! Okay, so for Olympics and for match play, we're currently 10 points. 10-6. Tapos 2 up kami. Oo, 3 under. Baka kami pa makabreak 65 ha. Kuha din. Good par. So start of hole number 1. 471 yards. Dog leg left. Yung senior namin kasama munang papalo. Ay. Nice shot, Mikey! Okay. Ay, kala. Kabig na kabig. Buong katawan mo yung gumanon doy. Kanan lang.
Stay. Ikaw. Tumama sa tulay.
Okay, second shot for Doy and Andrew. Almost 290 yards, almost 300 yards.
Uy.
Kanan. Ito na naman yung nemesis hole mo. Okay na, tapos na. Wala na yung sumpa. Oh, hindi bumaba. Ganda.
Nice, brother.
Safe na safe. Good shot, brother. Good shot, Drew. Nice shot. 280 yards pa to the flag. Hitting a 3-wood. Si Mikey will lay up.
Ay, patay tayo dyan.
Nice shot.
Bayan.
Okay lang, brother. I got
Patong. Patong yan. Uy, before.
Maksangin, no? Hinangin sa taas, ano? And Drew and Doy, they still have 81 yards to the flag. Mahina. Against the wind. Hindi, against the wind din eh. Slightly behind. Ako na bola naman.
Nice shot.
48 yards to the flag, Mikey. So mga tirang mga 35. Ganda, Mikey. Ay, malakas. Bite. Okay lang, one pot sa'yo yan.
Uy, behind.
Okay. Mga Olympians. 4 na Olympians. Hole out na naman. Left to right. Good shot, Doy. Mark mo muna, Doy, para alam natin kung 1 or 2 points. We have this for birdie. Sayang. There was a slight opening. Di namin tinake advantage. Kaliwa, no? O right to left? Right to left. Doon sa marker nila? Isang cup lang. Lakas lang.
Pasok! Pasok! Yan! Birthday.
13-8. Okay, 13-8 tama. 13-8, 3 up. Okay. Saan, brother? Na-shoot na si... Hole number 2. 447 yards. We are now 3 up. Tapos 4 under na kami ni Mikey in terms of yung score namin. Then for Olympics, it's 13-8. Okay.
Par ano ba rito?
Par 7. Pero may dalawa kayong clutch pots na malayo
Sa hole 4.
to half the hole.
Yung kay Doy.
Oo. Nag-start sa kanya, tas ikaw yung next hole. Ay, yung hole out mo yata yung sumunod. Ganun katindi. Galit, nagalit. Nilabas yung dating swing.
Uy, Four! Nice shot.
We still can't get rid of the slice. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. We are still 240 yards to the flag. We will try to go for it. Mr. Cass hitting his 3-wood.
Okay.
I am going with my hybrid. Hopefully I can draw the golf ball. Diba? Sakto lang. Perfect. Good shot, brother.
Draw. Patong yan. Uy! Akyat!
Andrew and Doy still have 180 yards to the flag.
Draw.
Ganda.
Perfect.
Patong yata yan.
Shot, Doy. Perfect. Yeah. Get up. Sit.
Olympian! Olympian! Good shot, brother. Ganda. Ganda rin. We almost made it to the green uphill. Tapos they're putting for birdie. Bite. Okay lang. Patable. Sabi mo nga patable.
Ay, malakas.
For Olympics, they're putting for 2 points, and for birdie, kami putting for par and for 1 point. Yun, nakuha.
Oh!
Oh! Ganda ng putt mo. Kulang lang. Doon na sa may mismong pitch mark, no? Full half. Oo, no? Gumewang pa, no? We were able to have that hole. We both made par. Tapos, we are now 14 points sa Olympics. They are 8 points. Okay, so we are now starting hole number 3. Okay, it's playing 195 yards. Might hit a 6 iron. So, ganda ng padro. Sakto, ay padro pa, ano, pa fade, oh. Saktong sakto. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Ay, sayang. Pinalusutan na. Pinalusutan, buti lumusot doon, oh. Short lang din. Diretso rin sa bunker. Ah, patong pala. Nice shot. Alam mo kang short sa mata ko. Nice shot, Drew.
One time, baby. One time. One time. Come on. Ay, sayang!
We are putting for birdie for 2 points. Puti sa malapit. Ah, ganun lang kaliit yan? Ah, okay, okay. Sige. Hindi ba, kasi with the grass? With the grain? 9. So, tiran G's sa'yo, Mikey. Bibilis. Ay, may kabig ba?
Mabig na.
Hindi pumali.
Dinagdagan mo?
Hindi. For 1 point and birdie to win the hole. Ganda. Hindi ko. Down. And for 1 point, mahina. 324 yards, dog leg left. Subukan natin if I can draw the golf ball with my 3-wood.
Scramble kayo eh, no? Ibang-iba.
Ayan na.
Nice shot.
Ayan na, nabati.
Diba? Di naman ako nagyabang ah.
Naku yun, Delix.
Buti na lang, may mulingan.
Safe, safe, safe.
May mulingan tayo. Mamaya.
Oh, safe daw, safe daw. Inisip niyo yung mulligan kasi.
Ako, ikaw. Ikaw na.
Yun, perfect. Sulit. Sulit ang mulligan. Okay, we might have to take our medicine. Masyadong mapaganda, masyadong matalbog yung fairway. 70 yards to the flag. This is what we are facing. Yan, walang tira sa taas. Sa baba lang. Tirang mga 50. Okay lang. Baba mo lang. Good shot, Mikey.
Nice one.
Para shot. Dumikit. Okay, I was able to hit that in regulation. Yeah. Galing yun, sakto-sakto. buti lang punch draw yung kailangan gawin, hindi punch fade. And doy, mga 40 yards to the flag.
Ganda rin yan, Doy.
Lalagpas yan. Talbog talaga dyan, ano? Parang alam mo, ganda na ng tira mo nun, Doy. Talagang matalbog talaga, ha? Ha? Ano na? Be? Strawberry. Strawberry. What strawberry? May asim pa. Okay, so Doy and Andrew are still outside of the green. So chance for 3 points for Olympics. Tapos kami, we are putting for birdie. Okay, they have that for 1 point. For 1 point. Ay, hindi, 3 points pala. Okay. Mikey for birdie. 9 paces. Pero +1 kasi uphill. Side hill. Kulang pa. Kulang pa, no?
Tagan mo. Tagan niya yung kaliwa.
Oo.
Maabot ka. Allah.
To half the hole for par. So no movement. 14, 8. If ever 3. 3 up pa rin kami. Good putt. Hole number 5. Most likely hitting a 56 degree. Which... Ganda! Patong yan. Ay! Nabitin.
Ang ganda na.
Ay, ang ganda, Doy.
Hole in one mo na, Doy.
Hole in one mo na.
Hole in one mo na. Tikit yun.
Uy, tumatalon si Strawberry. Di lang nag-draw ng sobra. Both teams putting for birdie. Pero kami mas malayo for 2 points. Kanan na Jong. Okay, right to left. Ha? Isang grip. +1. Dinagdagan ko isang up yung kung ano yung hindi bumali.
Nakaka-tempt talaga eh. Nakaka-tempt talaga. Ang laki nun sa akin eh.
And wala. That's good, brother.
Wala talaga kaming ma-shoot na po.
Maganda. Nakakuha. Okay. Nice spot, nice bird. Masaya si Strawberry, masaya oh. Ba't ang saya ni Strawberry? Strawberry. Hole number 6, 343 yards. Dogleg left. So we are now 2 up. 2 up. Kailangan. Teka, gaganda na naman ang laban na ito ha. 2 up. Okay. Dito kayo nagsimula ng hole out nun eh. Oh, di ba? Okay lang. Naku, hindi nag-fade.
Yung dibdib ni Beng ang grabe yung diskitahan.
Ito, si Drew. Si Drew nagsimula nun at saka si Wayne. Ang ganda.
Yes!
It's really the T. Uy, sumabit! Sumabit!
Shortcut. Kusot yan doon. Lapit na.
Walang tumunog. Need to take their medicine. Second shot. Uy! Nagmadali!
Nice shot.
Okay lang, ang ganda ng sipa. Ganda ng binigay ni, ni Strawberry. Ano pinalo mo? 5. Ikaw naman pala namili. Left with 100 yards to the flag. Ano magagawin ko? Baka full 60 degree na lang. Or controlled 56. Depende sa tira ni Mikey. Maganda. Go. Big bounce. Carry mo lang. Uy. Too big. Swimming.
Nice shot.
Nabula. Hala ka.
Nice shot.
Uy, buti bumalik. Uy, safe!
Okay, safe. Nabula. Buti na, safe. Okay. Doy and Andrew's third shot. They're left with mga 45 yards to the flag. Ang ganda. .48 pa rin yan, Doy? Hindi. 48 mo pa rin yan? Kumagat talaga pa rin, ano? Talagang mga sharp yung grooves. Yun lang, masama yung binagsakan.
1 more yard.
Okay, buti lang na safe yung bola ko. Tumama sa net, bumalik. So we're taking my second shot. 20 yards to the flag. Mabilis. Tirang mga 10 yards lang. Maliit lang sa left. Bite! Maganda yan. Maganda yan! Good shot! Good shot, brother! They have this spot too for par. This is to keep the match going. Wala. Okay na yan? Ever they need to make this spot for par sila Parehas tayong putting par. Pero that's for 2 points. Okay, they need to make this spot to force us to make ours to keep the match going. Kasi if they miss this, we make it 3 up kami, dormi na. Strawberry! Pasok na naman! Si Strawberry! Grabe si Strawberry! Grabe si Strawberry! Clutch nun That's a clutch putt. Strawberry, 2 points pa yun. Must make. Para at least we're still 2 up. Okay, this is to half the hole. To stay 2 up kami. Ganda ng putt nito Nice putt. Okay, no pressure. Good putt, brother. Good putt. Ganda naman talaga ng kay Doy. At least, tuloy-tuloy pa. Grabe yung putt ni Doy. Sayang, tapos na sana yung match kung hindi nila na-shoot yun Pero what a clutch putt. So we're still 2 up. Tapos, clutch putt din si Mikey.
Okay lang yung clutch kaysa sa nagbintis tayo.
Yeah. So 2 up, top, 7th hole, 327 yards. Dog leg right. I will try to fade the golf ball. Kaya natin, we've been practicing this. 4! Gitna. Okay, lusot. Good shot, brother. Perfect. Uy. Lusot mo. Okay lang yan. Ay!
Nice shot.
Sa'yo, pa-fade sa'yo Akin pa-draw So masakto to for draw. Okay. We are 140 yards to the flag. Need to take our medicine. See, Mikey will try to punch, fade the golf ball. Ako punch draw.
Ay, tumama. Sorry.
Okay lang yan. May attack yan.
Okay.
Thank you. Hindi, okay lang. Okay, Andrew and Doy's second shot. Around 110 yards. Ay, kumaliwa naman. Around the green. Yan ang Olympian. Look. Ay, kumanan lang. Buti lang. Kick right mo pa. Okay. We are 50 yards to the flag. We need to stick this close. Kasi they are chipping for birdie. Kami pitching pa for birdie. Mga tirang 35. Kaliwa. Kick right. Bite! Bite! Ay, malakas. Sobrang kanan naman.
Uy, wala.
Roy and Andrew for birdie. And if ever 3 points, maganda. Uy, malakas lang. Okay. Ang bilis ah! Okay, mabilis, mabilis. Birdie and to win the hole. Galing? Okay. That's their par putt. Ako rin pala, par putt tayo dito, Mikey. We need to make this. Ah, di, pag na-shoot pala namin to, dormy na. Pag na-shoot, dormy. Come on, Mikey. We need to make this right edge. Okay, lilinya kita. Mahina lang! Yun yung linya.
Okay. At least alam mo na.
Okay, this putt is for par to win the hole and to go 2 down, 1 down. Good putt. Yes. 4 content lang.
1 down.
50 down, 1 down. Ako, dalawang butas, 1 down. Okay, okay. May chance pa kayo manalo. Makuha nyo to at saka last hole. Panalo kayo. Pag nakuha nyo.
Wow. Wow.
Huwag mo i-bunker.
Bunker mo sa right.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nice shot.
Na behind din. Sa patting na lang daw. Ganda. Patong.
Ay, ang ganda. Hole in one na. Natalo na kami sa hole in one.
I'm happy with that. That was a clutch shot. Kasi halos nasa green na sila Andrew. So I had to stick it close. I'm so happy na napatong ko. So at least we're putting for birdie. Sila naman ay chipping for birdie. So magkakatalo na lang sa short game. Bye. Like and subscribe. Comment if you like the content. And also comment if you think sino mananalo. Team Luigi and Mikey or Doy and Andrew. Come on, let's see. Kung merong Hoodie Melo, kilala mo ba si Hoodie Melo? Kung meron din Tuck Indoy. Si Tuck Indoy nagiging clutch sa putts. Tuck Indoy. Okay. Hindi bumali. Pwedeng diretso. Kaliwa rin. Okay. We just need to 2-putt. Right edge. Regular speed. Okay, come on, Mikey. This is to straight up win the match. Okay, Mikey. To win the match. Sakto, Mike. Kanan mo pa, konting-konti lang. Yan.
It's over.
Good match, brother. Woo, buti na lang. That was a clutch natural birdie. Woo, tapos 2 points. 17. Good round, brother. Okay, 1-0. Okay. 1-0, 4-4. Okay. Woo. Okay, first. We draw blood. We draw first blood. Okay.
We need this for ano?
We won
We need
game
this
1.
for 65.
Oh, for birdie. Kuma-birdie natin to ano. Okay, hole number 9, last hole, 511. But we already won the match finally. Good shot, Doy. Kaliwa lang. Slight pull. Sakto kay Mikey. Gitna.
Oy.
Okay, we're taking Mikey's drive. So this is just for fun. Susubukan namin break 65. I will try to go for it. Kailangan namin ma-eagle to break it. So magti-3wood ako. Ganda talaga ng patama ni Mikey ngayon, ha. Literal pa talaga yung pagpapraktisan niya tayo. Nice one, Mikey. Pina-fade ko talaga yun.
Ganda oh, papatong pa yata. Ay.
Bunker.
Wow!
Ang ganda.
Inspired talaga si ano? Inspired talaga si Doy oh.
Oo nga. Ganda.
Shot!
Ganda ng draw.
Ganda rin oh.
Ganda. Babait na naman yan. Babait yan. Ay, sama ng sipa. Kaliwa naman. Kick right. Kanan lang. Bite. Okay lang. Okay lang. May chance for 65. Bilis ah. Wait, tama na. Bilis. For 2 points and for Mikey and I to tie best scramble namin ni Andrew. 65. This is for 65, meaning 5 under. Uy! Sakto lang, yung malakas lang ng konti. Oh. Hindi naman bumali.
Hindi naman bumali. Okay lang. 66.
Sayang.
This is for 1 point. Nasaan yung isang bola? Ooh! Yun, nakuha. 1 point.
Nice one.
17. At teka, picture pala tayo. Good round, brother.
Good round.
Okay.
Nice game, nice game.
Bahala na kung kailan ng game 2.
Thank you sa
Good
sa
round.
invitation call practice. Papracticing ko kayo.
Good round, brother. Nagyabang na. Tapos na eh. Pwede na magyabang.
Dito natapos ang
Nice shot.